Oh, hey, thanks for joining us. I wasn't sure if you all were coming back or not, so we had to go grab the infamous 3050. And I'm not sure if we're going to be able to get them out of there with the AirHammer or not, but stay tuned. So we'll speed this process up for y'all, but gotta punch them out, and then we're gonna see if we can get the rest of this with the AirHammer. There went one. There went the other. That was kind of successful. So let's see if we can blow it out with the AirHammer or not. Success.